So hey guys, in this video I am going to help you to set up a Python for you. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to install the Python, and then we are going to install Sublime text editor to run our all the Python scripts. So go to the link in the course description, which will take you to this page. Now click on the downloads button and download the Python 3.9.0. And note that this version cannot be used on a Windows 7 or earlier. So if you are using a Windows 7 or earlier version, I personally recommend you to install the Python 3.8.6 or earlier versions. So to download this, go to the Windows, and here is the all the Python releases. So according to your system requirement, download this, and I have already downloaded Python 3.8.6 installer, and I have installed it. And once you download this, and in order to install, click on the next, and click on the complete, and it will complete your installation process. Now in the second part, we are going to install the Sublime text editor. So go to the link in the course description, which will take you to this page. Now here you can see that there are different Sublime versions for a Sublime text editor, and download a one according to your system. So I am using a Windows 64-bit, so I have downloaded this Sublime text editor for a Windows 64-bit, and once again click the next to complete the installation process. So friends, in the next lecture we are going to learn a Python. Till then,